We are going to do DHCP 8th lab of WIreshark. First of all, you have to open the command prompt and release the IP config soon. IP config release. Everything is here. Disconnected, media disconnected. Link local IP was this one. Media state disconnected. Connection specific DNS affix everything here disconnected. Now start up the Wireshark packet sniffer as described in the introductory Wireshark lab and begin Wireshark packet capture. In the Wireshark, start the packet capturing. Then again go to command prompt and enter ipconfig renew. This instruction your host to obtain network configuration. It will instruct our host to obtain new network configuration because just now we released IP configuration. That's why we are again instructing our host to obtain a network configuration, including new IP address also. Command prompt open ipconfig renew. Wait until the ipconfig renew was terminated. Then enter the same command ipconfig renew again. You have to again enter the ipconfig renew. It's already terminated, so we can enter again ipconfig renew. In the second ipconfig terminates, enter the command ipconfig release to release the previously allocated IP address to your computer. Now we will release our ipconfig. Which just now we have created or obtained our ipconfig creation. Now we are releasing that. It has released. This is here. Finally enter again. We have to enter again this last one. ipconfig renew to again be allocated an IP address for your computer. Why we are entering ipconfig renew means it will allocate an IP address for our computer again. Because just now we have released right. To renew that, we are entering this command. ipconfig renew. It will allocate IP address for our computer. Now we can stop the Wireshark packet capturing. Now let's answer the questions. First, are DHCP message sent over UDP or TCP? First of all, we have to enter in display specification area DHCP protocol name. Here we can see DHCP request, DHCP ACK segment, request segment, ACK segment, release segment, discover segment, offer segment. These are all the packets just now we have opened and released, renewed everything. Now to select one DHCP offer, we can see this question was DHCP message sent over UDP or TCP. DHCP message sent over UDP, user datagram protocol. Draw a timing diagram, datagram illustrating the sequence of first four packets. Discover, offer, request, ACK, DHCP exchange between client and server. For each packet, indicate the source and destination port numbers. Are the port numbers the same as an example given in this lab assignment? Discover, offer, request, ACK. Discover its destination address is 255.255.255.255. Source port 68 and destination port 67. And for destination DHCP offer also source port 67, destination port 68, completely opposite. DHCP request source port 68, destination port 67. DHCP offer and DHCP request are DHCP discover and request are same, and DHCP ACK and DHCP offer are same. Source port 67, destination port 68. What is the link layer? Example, Ethernet address of your host. Link layer was Wi-Fi. Link layer was Ethernet to source. This one Ethernet to. What value in the DHCP discover message? Differentiate this message from the DHCP request message. Discover and request message. Difference is its length is different, 310, 336, and UDP payload also. It is 302 bytes in discover and 328 bytes in request, like this. What is the value of the transaction ID in each of the first four DHCP messages? What are the values of the transaction ID in the second set? Request ACK set of DHCP messages. Transaction ID in each first four DHCP messages are in DHCP discover, DHCP offer, DHCP request, and DHCP ACK. Everything for four, the transaction ID is same. 0 cross F1E 742 FB, 0 cross F1E 742 FB. For these four, transaction ID is same. The host uses DHCP to obtain an IP address, among other things, but a host IP address is not confirmed until the end of 4 message exchange. If the IP address is not set until the end of 4 message exchange, then what values are used in the IP datagram in the 4 message exchange? For each of the 4 DHCP, discover, offer, request, ACK, and DHCP indicate the source and destination IP address that are carried in the encapsulating IP datagram. The sixth question, we can see destination is 255.255.255. 4 are same destination IP address. What is the IP address of your DHCP server? DHCP server IP address is 172.16. 56.1. What is the IP address of DHCP server offering to your host? In the DHCP offer message, indicate which DHCP message contains the offered DHCP address. DHCP offer DHCP offer IP address is hosting 255.255.255.255. This is the message. Indicate which DHCP message contains offered DHCP address. DHCP offered address was contained in DHCP offer message here. In the example screenshot in assignment, there is no relay agent between host and DHCP server. What values in the trace indicate the absence of a relay agent? Is there a relay agent in your experiment? If so, what is the IP address of the agent? This question in the example screenshot in assignment, there is no relay agent between host and DHCP server. What values in trace indicate the absence of relay agent? Is there a relay agent in your experiment? If so, what is the IP address of the agent? Yes, it is there. The IP address of relay agent was 0.0.0.0. You can also answer these questions. Explain the purpose of router and subnet mask line in DHCP offer message. We can explain the importance of router and subnet mask lines in DHCP offer message. Mm, this was the lab8 DHCP. I hope you understood. Thank you.